Welcome fellas of TechSpress. Today let's get started with MetaMask. So if you want to dive into the cryptocurrency, NFTs or the decentralized web, you need a digital web wallet of course. So MetaMask is by far the gold standard and is the secure browser extension that lets you interact with almost every decentralized application. So I'm going to be guiding you through how to get started with this actual process really fast. So to make this much more faster and much more easier, I totally recommend you to use an actual PC computer, not by using the phone. The process is actually almost the same, but I can do this much more faster. So the first thing, always download the official extension from the official source. So if I go into Google, I type MetaMask, I want to make sure that I'm inside MetaMask.io and not .com, .net, whatever. So I want to make sure that I'm here into MetaMask.io. Right, click into the install MetaMask button that you might be seeing here directly into this actual application. If you don't see it, you don't have to worry about it. You can always tap a new element, go for your extensions, and into your extensions what I'm going to be doing here is to type the word MetaMask. Directly in here is the actual MetaMask, the most trusted code palette. So as you can see, this one has an actual verification element that says created by the owner of the listed website. So I want to make sure that I have choose the element that says add this to the Chrome. Now I go for I understand the risk and install anyway. This happens a lot because I am using Norton private Chrome. If I was using, for example, Google Chrome, this won't be appearing, so I don't have to be worrying a lot about that. So directly here into MetaMask, if you click into this option that says Get MetaMask, it would be sending me directly into the actual page where we're actually currently at. So as you can see the difference, there's not difference actually. So I just want to make sure that my application is now been installed here into the upper right corner. After the installation has not been correctly successed, once installed, the small MetaMask box icon should appear into your browser extension bar. So you may need to click into the puzzle placed icon to place that element. So I'm going to go for resume or restart, and here into the upper side we should see that we have here the progress bar. I just needed to wait a few seconds, and here is adding to the Norton private browser, and you're good to go. Now just in case this one is not appearing into your browser because they might be having a few restrictions of security, whatever, what I need to do is to open, for example, something else. Let's say Google Chrome. I go into MetaMask once more, and directly in here I should see once again the MetaMask tapped to download this once again. So what I'm going to be doing here is now to head back. Let's try to reload the page once more and see our current extensions. So into our extensions, you should see that here is the actual recently downloaded. So I'm going to click here and try to open it, and you should see that MetaMask will be opening the actual account in no time. So I'm going to click into this little box. This will be popping up this new tab, and we are now inside MetaMask, but with the actual application. So I'm going to go for English, and it says create a new wallet or I have an existing wallet. So if you already have an actual wallet, choose the option that says I have an existing wallet. Here it's going to be asking you to sign in with Google, to sign in with the Apple, or import using the secret recovery phrase. If you choose to import a wallet with the secret recovery phrase, this might be asking you to enter a few combination of words that would be provided to you the moment that you have just created this kind of element. And just like that, my wallet will be automatically recovered in this case. So as you can see, here is my MetaMask account wallet already been added, and you can add more account if you want to do when you click into the option that says add account. So it says account number 2, and automatically it's going to be giving you a new actual address that you can be topping up. As you can see, here is appearing now directly here the actual MetaMask. So the latest thing that I can be suggesting you, of course, to secure your secret recovery phrase, because this is the most critical step. You will now be giving an actual secret recovery phrase. Usually it's a sequence of from 12 to 24 words. So when you reveal those words, this phrase is the master key to entire wallet and all your funds. So do not store this phrase digitally. Do not take a screenshot. Do not email this. Do not save this into Google Doc. You want, of course, to get to, let's say, write this down physically in two separate pieces of paper and store them into secure separate locations. So MetaMask will then ask you to confirm the phrase by clicking the words into the correct order, and you're good to go. So you're all set. You're now viewing your main wallet dashboard. At the top, you'll be seeing the public wallet address that appears here into the upper side, and here it is. So you can click into the address to copy it instantly. Always double check this address when sending the funds. By default, you are into the Ethereum main network. You can switch to other networks like the Polygon later if you needed to. We're going to be showing you how to do this process in some other tutorials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. You want to see more great tools. We get started with this great tools of elements and cryptos. Thank you once again. See you next time.